All right, do you own a spray tan business and do you really want to niche down into being known as the bridal spray tan artist in your local area? Well, first I want to say congratulations, because niching down into something that specific is something that is going to explode your business if it's done correctly. But also, I'm here to give you some tips on how to find more bridal clients. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to Impressive Glow. My name is Gina. I am the owner and educator of Impressive Glow Spray Tan and Teeth Whitening Training, where my ultimate mission is to help women, moms, single moms learn how to start a side hustle as either a spray tan or teeth whitening technician and to build some financial independence in that process. All right, we are getting into wedding season. Have you recently just started your spray tan business, or have you, in the last few years of owning your business, really wanted to dive into the bridal arena as a spray tan technician? Well, today's tips are definitely going to help you do that. So let's get ready. All right, so bridal tans can be some of the most fun experiences that I think you can have in the spray tan industry, and I think they're so powerful in terms of being able to get content from those, being able to market, the word of mouth, the referrals. They are all so great. So really quick, if you already are a great bridal spray tan artist, let us know in the comments what is working for you so far. It may not be some of the things that I'm going to talk about today, so I would love for us to share whatever's working in your industry. So one of the first things that I see beauty business owners, specifically spray tan artists, do in terms of thinking that they want to specialize in the bridal niche is run to Instagram. They want to go to all the places that brides are looking on Instagram, so venues and wedding photographers and wedding coordinators and all these great places. They go to Instagram and they start following those business accounts, and that is great. You should be doing that, but we're going to dive a little bit deeper into that whole scenario. So with these businesses having very great content and great business Instagram accounts themselves, who's following these accounts? Brides. So why wouldn't you, instead of just following those business accounts, why would you not dive into those accounts followers on their page? Because everybody who's following them, majority of them are going to be brides. They're looking at their venues, they're looking at their catering services, they're looking at all their photography. The thing that you need to do is get out of the ego of not requesting people and not feeling a type of way of them not accepting your request. The idea is just so they know that you exist and they know that you are here and they know that you specialize in bridal spray tans. They didn't even know they needed you until you requested them. All right, so one of the other tricks that I learned really early on in my spray tan business and wanting to really dive into the wedding industry is I really learned to team up with really great wedding photographers. I only have a select few that I really truly love, but what's great about that and teaming up with a photographer is you can help each other make sure that these pictures turn out amazing. So not only are they going to be beautiful for your bride, they're going to be beautiful for the photographer and great content for you to use. Did you know actually that a lot of photographers, and I learned this with working with some boudoir photographers, but did you know that a lot of photographers actually suggest to their brides or their clients not to get a spray tan because of the different types of filters a lot of photographers are using nowadays, the warmer colors, the more neutral brown colors that they're using. If your spray tan artist is not doing an exceptional job with the type of color that they're applying to these clients, if they're making them too dark, if it's a little bit brassy, it will totally alter the picture in it of itself. So if you could work with a photographer, let them know why and how your spray tans are 10 times different than every other spray tan artist out here, you will win them over and you will become a consistent referral for that wedding photographer. You could even offer an exclusive discount for their clients, and that way they're more than likely to share your information on their page, to share it with their clients, all the things. All right, something that I actually saw a student of mine do is they built a wedding glam team in their local area. Think of all the beauty services your brides are gonna have to be getting done prior to this wedding, even like when they're doing all their trials. We're doing hair and makeup and lashes and spray tans, teeth whitening, all of these beautiful glam things that these brides are going to be doing before the big day. What if you built a little wedding glam team with some of the great beauty professionals in your area that you truly trust, that you really enjoy their work, and create like a package deal for these brides that they literally just couldn't resist. Definitely you want to build some terms and conditions with these other beauty business owners, come up with some contracts, get all the necessary things written down and have it all signed. But what an amazing way to network with women in your local area, other beauty professionals, to help ease brides and make you and your team of glam people in this whole group like super successful, super well known, and all of you can share content, all of you can get video of each other. Like, what an amazing opportunity to network. So I thought it was like an amazing idea. So think about people in your area that you may hit up and say, hey, would you think about doing a wedding glam team with me, and we can kind of put our services together and offer a special. And so you want to obviously figure out all the money and stuff with that. But how awesome. Like, I thought that was a great idea. Also, really quick, if you need help with how to approach that process of talking and networking other beauty business owners, I actually have a video all about the right way to network with other beauty professionals so that it comes off genuine, it's not uncomfortable, you don't sound like a weirdo, and that you come from a good place. So watch that video. It's a great video. I've actually really enjoyed it. All right, so we can't talk about this whole situation and not talk about Google. How many things for your wedding and services for your wedding are you going to Google searching? Like, literally, when she's in wedding planning mode, she is searching Google and Instagram for just about everything. So in terms of that, you've got to build your Google My Business reviews. It is so important. Even think about it now. Maybe this wedding season isn't going to be like the miraculous season that you were hoping for, but what if starting now, if you started to build these reviews now, come next year, you have 100 to 200 different Google reviews about your service. They are more than likely going to want to book you for that wedding spray tan. Make sure in your Google My Business account, you specialize in bridal spray tanning. Use all the keywords about wedding and spray tanning and all the things so that you can use that to your advantage. All right, a couple of the last tips kind of come together, but of course, bridal events like vendor events where all these brides are kind of coming together. That's a great way to kind of meet brides that are coming into wedding season within the next year or two. Of course, there's some website like The Knot and Wedding Wire where you can post your profile and all your information, which is a great opportunity at the beginning. Just be really careful about that eating into your profit if it's going to cost you to use those websites. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna go out, find the niche, get all these brides, get them on your side for the upcoming wedding season. It is a very profitable niche to get into because just spray tanning the bride, you're definitely gonna get bridesmaids, mothers of the brides, guests. Like, they will start to know who you are. Girls are going to ask them in all of their beautiful pictures who they went to for their spray tan. So it's definitely a great niche to kind of tackle in your local area. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I got some more stuff coming out for wedding season, the really poppin' summertime that we got coming out, and things that you can do to make sure you market yourself as a spray tan and teeth whitening artist really well and get more clients through your door. So don't forget, I offer online, live, virtual, and in-person training in Southern California. If you're interested in any of my training options, I'm going to leave all the information down in the description. Head on over to my website. I have a newsletter, so sign up for that, my little VIP club over there. You can see all of my training information. You can see my service information if you're in the local Ventura County area and you want to come see me and get a spray tan. Come on in. I also do teeth whitening. Come see me. See you guys in the next video.